Hey guys, it's Mr. Bison here, and in today's video I'm doing something a little bit random. I'm going to read out something that I have written in Turkish, which is a result of my first 6 months of learning Turkish. Now, if you didn't know this, 6 months ago I made a YouTube video where I committed to start learning the Turkish language. And the reason I've done this is because my dad is Turkish, but I wasn't brought up speaking any Turkish at all. He actually moved to the UK when he was 17 years old, and I haven't really felt very Turkish my whole life. So 6 months ago, I thought, if I learn the language, not only will it be quite fun to do, but maybe it will help me connect with my heritage and with my identity, and maybe I'll learn something more about myself. So 6 months ago, I started some lessons with my Turkish tutor. Her name is Duygu. She lives in Izmir in Turkey. And last month, in March, I visited Duygu, as well as my family and friends, on a trip that I took to Istanbul and then to Izmir. And what I want to do is, after my first 30 hours of lessons, I want to read out something that I've written completely from memory, without a dictionary, no help with the grammar. And I just kind of wanted to do it to prove that I've done this so far, and also just to kind of update you a bit on what this journey has been like and hold myself accountable to learning Turkish and sharing this. So it's kind of personal, which feels a bit unusual for these videos, but maybe it will be a nice welcome break from, I don't know, you doing a lot of revision for your upcoming exams and stuff. So if you do want to keep watching this, I will be reading something out in Turkish that I've written. You'll also see a little video of the first lesson I've had with my Turkish tutor face to face, as well as me getting my beard trimmed by the best barber in Istanbul. His name is Poyraz, and he also gets mentioned in this composition as well. So don't be too critical of my accent, but without further ado, let's see how my Turkish goes. So remember, 30 hours of lessons in 6 months, and I was using Anki a lot. Someone told me to use Anki for learning languages. Phenomenal, thank you. So, sadece 6 ay önce Türkçe öğrenmeye başladım ve 30 ders yaptım. Türkçe zor bir dil ama çok seviyorum. Türkçe çok mantıklı ve ben de çok mantıklıyım. Türkçe ve matematik biraz benziyor. Mart'ta Türkiye'ye gittim ve tatilim çok harikaydı. Manchester'dan İstanbul'a uçakla gittim ve metroyla ailemin apartmanına gittim. İlk akşam beraber ailemle yedim. Türkçe yemekleri çok lezzetli. İlk defa halamla Türkçe konuştum. Eskiden sadece amcamla İngilizce konuştum. Çünkü halam sadece Türkçe konuşuyor. Gurur duydum. Yemekten sonra bir arkadaşımla buluştum. Arkadaşımın adı Yalçın. Kadıköy'de gezdik ve bira içtik. Çok mutluydum çünkü Yalçın çok neşeli ve komik. Berberimin adı Poyraz ve beraber Türkçe sohbet ettik. Bence Poyraz en iyi berber. Berberde video çektim çünkü Türkiye'den sonra YouTube video çekeceğim. İstanbul'dan sonra İzmir'e uçakla gittim. İzmir'e gitmek istedim çünkü Türkçe öğretmenim İzmir'de oturuyor. Öğretmenimin adı Duygu ve o çok tutkulu ve yetenekli. Duygu sabırlı, zeki ve düşünceli. İlk defa yüz yüze ders yaptık ve çok iyiydi. Duygu'nun ailesi çok nazik. Akşamları beraber yemek yedik ve Türkçe konuştuk. Harikaydı. Bu yaz Türkiye'ye döneceğim. Daha Türkçe konuşacağım, daha Türk yemekleri tadacağım ve daha arkadaşlarımla ve ailemle takılacağım. Şimdi daha Türk hissediyorum. Bu yüzden çok mutluyum. So it's really weird because that last part, that I do actually feel more Turkish, is so true. Learning this language has helped me seriously connect with my family. It's helped me connect with my own background and my identity, and it's just been really cool. And I feel like, I don't know, I just felt like I kind of wanted to share this part of the journey with you guys. Maybe you're learning some other languages. Maybe there's some other things that you're learning that's just not through A-levels. If there's anything like that, I'd kind of love to hear what it is. I've always been passionate about education, being a teacher, but I also love to be a student. And it's been amazing being in like Duygu's tuition. And I hope that you've also had some really amazing experiences with teachers that have kind of guided you through some quite challenging processes. So thank you for kind of listening through this quite like personal thing about my language journey here. I hope that maybe in another 6 months' time I can do an update. I actually might do some Turkish maths with you. I've been learning the numbers, but I need to get really sharp with the numbers so I can start doing some things like, I don't know, integration and do some logarithms and stuff in Turkish as well. Anyway, I hope this has been a nice break from anything you've been revising. I'm wishing you the best of luck for all of your exams, and I'll see you in another video or a live stream sometime soon. Çok teşekkür ederim. Görüşürüz.